Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Venom and Spider-Man Surprise Fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Venom Spider-Man Surprise Fold, let's begin by folding our paper. You want to line up the corners and fold it in half just like you're making a birthday card. Give it a nice little fold. And then we have our birthday card shape. Next, let's go ahead and we'll fold it one more time. We're going to line up the corners again. Give it a nice fold. It's kind of like a big bookmark now. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines in here that show me where to keep the inside of my drawing. Now let's begin by making Venom. So I want to start with the eye. I'll begin right here, and let's go ahead and make like a little line that just curves down and up, kind of like a check mark. I'm going to curve this up and then down a little bit. And then I want to bring this out to here to a point. Now I'm going to come back down here and I'm going to curve this one down and then around here. Curve it in, and then we're just going to go up and bring it up to here. It can be a little wavy and bumpy around here too. Now, starting out here, I'm just going to bring a little line. It's just going to come up and then in. And then I'll make a couple little lines that do the same thing, just to make like a couple little wrinkles. I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to bring it over to here. Then I'll bring this line down here for the back of the head. Now, underneath the fold, let's draw a line that's just going to go down, and then I'm just going to bring this over. Then I'll make another little line that goes down and in. Then I'll make a little line that's just going to come out and goes down and then back for kind of like the chin. Make a little line that's going to go over, and then we'll bring it up here for the jawline. Then we'll add a couple little curve lines on here, just show like some bends in the neck. And I'll make a little line down here for the chest. Now, even though it's a little bit high and we won't see much of it, I want to make part of like his little design on his chest. So I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve up to a point and then come back down. Then we're going to come down. I'm going to bring this up to here and then over. Then I'll make a little line that's going to come over like this. Next, we're going to bring this little line up. And I'm going to put a couple little lines right around the eyes here. Little one here, and we'll make a few little lines right along here too. Now, after we have this, we want to open it up so that we can draw the inside. Now, after it's open, we want to begin with the top part of Venom. I'll begin right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down to here. Then we're just going to make this kind of wavy. I'll go kind of down and then up. And then I'm going to bring this line right up to here, and I'll kind of run it up into that. Now I want to start underneath my little fold here. And so I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to come down, kind of wavy, to about here. And then we'll just kind of make some little wavy lines that just kind of curve down. Starting here, I'm going to add a little curved line, and then we'll make a few more little curves that come right along here just for some detail. Now, starting here, we want to add Venom's sharp teeth, and he has a lot of sharp teeth. So I'm going to begin by making some sharp fangs right in here. And I'm just going to put these kind of all around. I'll put some kind of behind other ones. We can even like make a couple little sharp teeth here and then put other ones kind of behind it like this to kind of fill up the mouth. And we'll do the same thing here. I'll start off with like a little tooth here and we'll put a couple more in front of it. And then we'll make some kind of really sharp, pointed, jagged teeth for the inside of Venom's mouth. Now, right around here, I'm going to make a couple little kind of broken, wiggly lines around here just to show some detail. Then, starting right about here, I want to kind of make the tongue. I'm going to start it a little bit lower than normal. Usually I'd kind of start it back here, but I'm going to start it kind of down here a little bit. So I'm going to draw a long line that's just going to kind of come out and be kind of wavy like this. Then we'll kind of put a little point at the end. Then we'll bring it back. And then we'll just kind of curve it back to here. Now, inside of here, I want to make Spider-Man's face kind of coming out of here. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a line that's just going to curve down like this. Then we'll curve out a little bit, and we'll bring this back down to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to work on the eye. So I'm going to start by making a line that's just going to curve back and up. Then I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down and then up here. I'll draw that same shape right inside of here. And then I'll add a little bit of like a curved line right there. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve back to here, and then one that's just going to curve up to here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come out to here. Then I'll make a line that's going to come down here. We'll kind of curve this around, and we'll make one right here. Next, I'm going to make some curved lines to connect all of these. So I'm just kind of making that spider web shape. So I'm just kind of connecting all of these. And we're just going to bring these all the way around here. Then I'm just going to add some kind of long broken lines on the tongue just to give it a little bit of detail. And then I'll even add a couple little lines onto the eye as well for some detail. I'm even going to add a little eye, or a couple lines on Spider-Man's eye too. And there you go, there is your drawing of Spider-Man coming out of Venom's mouth. So when I have it all closed up, we've got Venom right here. And then when we open it, we can see that his mouth is wide open and that he has Spider-Man coming out of there. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.